Question we have, is it okay we do a 11th and 12th in a normal college and then get into the best civil service coaching colleges after that?
Good question. If a student is very keen on doing UPSC and he is having a dream of pursuing civil services, then he or she can do with the academy. But if the student is confused, then better to select a normal college. Then as the days goes, the student will also come to know about his interests, whether he want to pursue UPSC or he just want to do normal graduation. So it depends upon the student interest that what he want to pursue. So student, this answer can be differ. We cannot give plain statement to each and every student.
After completing courses, how do we find a job?
See, now Indian market is about very difficult to get a job. Now mostly jobs are available with the low category student like those who have done diploma, those who have done nursing, or those who have done skill oriented courses like plumber, like electrician. But jobs are not available with a higher qualification, isn't it? So while you are pursuing your graduation, post graduation, you should have a plan B. You should learn some skills to get better in something you can do. Like as someone has asked a question about graphic designing, about doing something in hardware management or something with the supply chain management. This should go parallel with the degree because nowadays degrees will not have much impact on job market than the skill. As well as one should pursue the outside India also because now the new careers are developing outside India. As in the lecture also, I have told you 10 emerging fields. You can select from that 10 emerging field because more career options are available in that and more funding from the India or from the overseas will coming in that direction. So you can plan your career for 10 years as per the market analysis and the research. Secondly, for getting job, some employability skills also required. Some personality traits, some communication skills, your negotiating skills, your writing skills. These are also very important. Like I am a general teacher. I have not done anything great. But as your teacher Asad Umri Saab has invited me to for this lecture because I have strive in this area and I am doing this job from last 20 years. So he think I would be suitable for giving this lecture. So you should develop your train in the market so that people will remember you for a particular job. Then only the employment issue can be solved.
What are the opportunities for triple E, electrical and electronics engineer?
Electrical and electronics engineering, now the focus has shifted to computer engineering. I have one student from IIT Kharagpur. He shifted towards computer science after selecting EEE because entire electronics and electrical background now move towards the artificial intelligence. So most of the software introduced, most of the new skills are introduced. So if you have taken EEE, then also you are compelled to learn AI or computer science. So don't worry about it. Your institute or your company will teach you how to deal with the issues.
What are the jobs available for after BA?
After BA, no direct jobs are available. But if you're doing with the different languages, jobs are available like translation. The jobs are available like in some institute of teaching. But after BA, mostly the students are going for some skill courses or civil services. They don't go for job. After BA, you will not get a very good job. It's just a graduation.
What are the skills that are required for chartered account?
For CA, you require a very good logical and mathematical ability with your analytical skill and with your hard work and with degree in commerce as well as in law can make you a good CA. You can join CA Institute after your 12 and do your CPT, do your intermediate, then do your articleship and then go for mail. You require consistency. Hardly 1.5 or 2% results will come in the hundreds of students. So CA is little bit difficult as I told you, but you can perceive it if you show your hard work and interest.
One more question we have is on NIT.
NIT, National Institute of Technology. National Institute of Technology, you no need to search for a job. They have a good placement. After NIT, you get job from institute itself. There is no need for searching here and that. It's a very good institute and provide good opportunity for the student to get the job. Sir, what are the courses that we should do for CA? For CA, you can pursue 12th with commerce. After 12th commerce, you can directly go to CPT, that is Common Proficiency Test, and you can appear for the CA Foundation. After CA Foundation, you can go for intermediate. After intermediate, you can go for 2-year articleship. After 2-year articleship, you can go for final CA examination. Better you pass out 12th with commerce and appear for CPT, Common Proficiency Test, for appearing to the CA Foundation. No college will provide you. Only in private classes you can do it. Or you can do it from the private online websites like Unacademy or Physics Wala. They provide good coaching for CA with very less fees. Sir, what courses have you taken after your 10? Beta, I have taken my 11, 12 science. After 12 science, I have gone for the graduation. After graduation with zoology, I have gone for post-graduation with zoology. Then I have pursued my MPhil with toxicology, wildlife management. Then I have done my PhD. I have also pursued PG diploma in psychological counseling to do the counseling which I am doing now. I have also pursued MA education because I am really interested in education. So I have done a lot of things and I am full-time teaching and doing this part-time. My passion, that is counseling with the student. Okay. What is the best courses for 10th and 12th standard? I think you can do best is 10th and 12th science. Because after science, you can go for commerce, you can go in arts, you can go in fine arts, anywhere you can. Okay. What are the chances for player? You can go to any sports academy. You can join as a student, football, cricket, basketball, swimming, or gymnastic, or indoor player like chess, and you can make your career. Any sports academy, you can join. There are best academies available in Delhi, in Haryana, Chhattisgarh, in Andhra also best sports academies are there. Sir, what about railway job? See, beta, railway jobs are available from RRB, Railway Recruitment Board. If you visit this website, Railway Recruitment Board now will have more than 6,000 vacancies. You can select your choice of career. You can go to qualification. You can directly apply from PDF. There are lots of job available in RRB website, Railway Recruitment Board. Which career path is better suited for business jobs, for creative media jobs, and what are the key difference between them? See, creative and media jobs are do different things. For media job, you have to do Bachelor of Media Management. It is a BMM 3-year course. And after that, you can do postgraduate diploma in media industry, that is in journalism. In journalism, we have two aspects. One is the online aspect or virtual aspect, and one is the print media. In print media, there is a creative things come. In electronic media, is creativity comes with the writing, with the speaking, with presenting your stuff, with conducting interview. There are lots of creative things a person can do in a media job. Better you go to the website of BBC. BBC Media has provided you courses, or Times of India also have courses on media management, creativity, as well as the Indian Express also provide you most of the courses with writing skills in print media. In electronic media also, NDTV, Ashtar, TV9 has lots of jobs available. What is better, arts or science or humanities? See, beta, it is depend on your choice, your intelligence, your aptitude, your personality. Discuss with your parent, discuss with your teacher. Let's perform your aptitude test, check your IQ, and then you can contact me or even ask any other, even ask Asad sir, then what are the best career option. I cannot blindly told you as I am not telling you what you are interested in. So first I have to conduct your aptitude test, then I can do some.